Karsan Atak, compact city bus for efficiency. Atak is designed for modern and smart cities. 8-meter sized Atak can easily maneuver through narrow streets. With Atak, you serve everyone the best way possible. Getting on and off is easy for elders and parents with strollers, thanks to its original low floor. With 58 passenger capacity, flexible layout alternatives, and easy access low floor mounted seats, Atak uses its full capacity even in off-peak hours. This provides 38% less fuel consumption per passenger compared to 12-meter buses. On top of increasing operation efficiency with low maintenance cost, serviceability is also easy with Atak. Classy seats offer superior comfort for passengers, like charging their mobile phones or using Wi-Fi to connect the world. Atak does not only meet your urban transportation needs, but also makes you feel the rhythm of the city with its panoramic windows all around. Drivers enjoy ergonomic and functional cockpit with easy access buttons, while wide-angle view helps drivers safely navigate through cities. 8-way pneumatic driver's seat eliminates fatigue. Space frame chassis assures maximum durability. Electric-controlled air suspension provides superior ride. Together with functions like leveling and kneeling, Atak is very impressive with its performance and fuel economy. Its strong engine generates 137 kilowatt power and 680 Newton-meter torque. With its excellent driving performance and powerful engine, Atak fits in the city's environment. Euro 6 engine also has the lowest emissions to protect the environment. Refined through years of experience, Atak is being used worldwide. Atak. Use your mind and choose the logical way.